said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the last.
Hey guys, you have reached Regina TV, and as you've seen by the thumbnail, we will be talking about a protective style. Now today we are going to talk about the ponytail EFFY, okay? But y'all know me, I am going to put a whole nother spin on it. I'm not going to just, wear it the way it came out the package. All right guys, so this is a 1B, and this is everything you need to know. It's by Newborn, and this is all you need to know about the ponytail. Okay guys, well you all know that my hair is texturized, and between processing my hair, I like to use protective styles, so that I can wait the time limit. All right guys, so this ponytail comes with a drawstring, and it comes with 2 combs, one in the top and one in the bottom. And of course guys, this is a synthetic ponytail. Now like I said guys, y'all know I am extra. I'm gonna show you how I put my ponytail on. Also, I have worn this ponytail, I think like twice. This is nothing but oil, okay guys? Shine it up some. And I have made some alterations to this ponytail. I love the way that this ponytail feels. It is actually an afro. It wasn't nothing that came curly and then you had to pick it out. It actually came as an afro. And the alterations I have made to this is I cut some of the hair down because it's too full. It was just too much hair for me. Like it looks on the package, that's how big that ponytail is. And like I said, I cut it down to this. The other alteration I made to this ponytail is I put 2 extra combs on the side here. You see them here? Here's one here, and here's one here. And like I said, it comes with a comb here, and it has a drawstring. This is how wide the base is. Now guys, like I was telling you before, y'all know I'm special. You know I have to always go overboard or, do something different. And I'm gonna show you how I prepare my hair to wear this ponytail. Now I like to slick my hair down in the middle. Of course you can set your hair any type of way that you want. But I like, slicking my hair down in the middle. But look how I set the back, guys. I want you to see this. And there's a reason for that. You see that? I know it ain't pretty. It ain't meant to be pretty. I got a ponytail here, a ponytail here, here, and here, okay? I got 4 ponytails there. I know it ain't pretty, but who cares? Who's gonna see that? And the reason why I do that, you're gonna see it right now. So while I am putting on this ponytail, guys, hit the like button, share, subscribe, and any comments that you have that you want to know about this ponytail that I don't address in this video, just put it in the comment section down below, and also tell me what you think about this once I show you what I do. And I know I'm gonna answer you back, guys, okay? So we have 4 ponytails here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have 4 combs here. All right? So I'm gonna take this comb and I'm gonna put it here. Okay? Then, of course, y'all know I am gonna hook the comb around every ponytail that I have made. Okay, so hook it around there. And then the back, can you see? Let me make sure y'all can see. And then the back, guys, we're just gonna hook that ponytail underneath there. Now at this point, guys, it's up to you if you wanna draw the string to make it more sturdy. I make it a little taut, but nothing that's going to put stress on my hair. And then, you know, guys, of course, you know, we're just gonna tuck that string underneath. And if you want, you can put a pin on that to make sure, you know, a bobby pin on that to make sure it don't come out from being untucked. So guys, look at this hairstyle. Look at this hairstyle, right? Guys, look at this ponytail. Look at this ponytail, guys. Look at that. I love it. Y'all are so lucky that I love y'all, because right now, I'm telling you right now, y'all are lucky that I love y'all, because I can stop this video right here. All right, guys. Well, the other thing that you can do with this ponytail is, wherever you place your ponytail, go get you some long bobby pins, okay? And if you want that hair to come more to the front, part your afro, put the pin in there, and that will let that hair stay anywhere you want it to, if it's not coming to the front enough for you. Also, do the same for the sides, guys. You take it, open up your ponytail, put that bobby pin in there, and that will make that ponytail come anywhere you want it to come, okay? Can you see that? You just fix it back the way you want it to be. Now that's another quick tip for you guys when you're doing this ponytail. But I can tell you right now, it is so easy to do. This is a hairstyle that you can dress up, dress down. And guys, we ain't gonna even talk about when we put on our earrings. Okay? I like these. Now I had got some other earrings, you know. But once I had put them on, I said, okay, girl, you're going too far now. Come on, stop. So, guys, I'm about to get out of here. I got a lot of things that I have to do. Let me do a spin for you guys. I'm good. Go check out the other videos that I have been making for you guys. You're gonna love them. I've been decorating my house, guys, and it's been coming along great. So pretty much, guys, that is it. All right, guys, well, that was it. This is the EFFY ponytail. It's a synthetic ponytail by Newborn Free. And those are my little tips and tricks that I, brought to you. So if you want to give your hair a break, then this is a good hairstyle to go to. So guys, you have reached at It's Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know my next video is coming out. Thumbs up this video, guys. And guys, guess what? Thank you for spending this day with me, because you guys are the reason why my channel is growing, okay? And I appreciate you so much. Mwah. And until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I'll talk to you later. Mwah.
When a day's gone, we've only begun. That's the best part. When we get it on, I'm addicted on denying it, 'cause you don't cross